Hello everyone, welcome back to another section, a part B, let's say part B of the models, right? So in this section we are going to cover models. We are going to do cover them in practical, right? So what I'll do is I'll just do what I have to do and then explain later so that you can understand, right? So I'll start by importing the date, right? So import date, right? Date time, perfect. And then let's say from Django Tutors import time zone, right? So we're saying from Django.db import models from date time, and import date time, and also from Django.tutors import time zone, and that's perfect. So let's just create models. So class and then question, and the way we do it, models and then model. And let's just proceed. Question underscore text equals to models char field, that is character field, and then we specify the length of the question text, in this case to okay, it's not in caps, right? So it's models in small caps, right? So pub underscore date, say it's models dot date time field, and in this case it's date date published, perfect. So they you see as we proceed, they even included this function def was underscore published underscore recently. So this code will just show questions that we published recently. So return self dot pub underscore date and greater than or equal to time zone dot now, and then dash, then date time dot time delta, and then days equals to 1. And let's put human represent an str method, that is a human readable representation method. And so that's it. Return self dot pub underscore date greater than or equal to time zone dot now dash date time and time delta. Okay, so def underscore str. This will allow us to, because by default, if this Django will show this as because if we don't use the str method, we won't be able to see which is which. Okay, so this allows us to see the name of the question that will be, that we will create. Okay, so that's cool. So we'll just say return self dot question text. So that's perfect. We are done with this, and then let's create our choice model. Then you say models dot model. See, on your case you can even just copy and paste this. Okay, so you can even copy this from from the documentation and just follow along. Okay, so question equals to models dot foreign key. I think we have explained this. And then question, and then on what will happen when we delete models dot cascade. Okay, so perfect. And we are going to put the choice underscore text, and then we say models dot char field, and then we specify the maximum length of the choice text, and then we include the vote fields, so votes, which is an integer. Then let's say integer, and let's give it a default value of 0, right? So the same way we are going to also add an str method, which is a human readable representation method. So str, then we say return self dot choice underscore text. So that's perfect. Okay, so this will allow us to see the names of the choices that the names of the choices that we will create. Okay, so in this case, that's fine, right? So basically that's all there is to it for now. So let's just try to, so basically that's how we can come up with migrations and stuff. So now let's that's how we can come up with models. So let's try to apply migrations, right? So let's say okay, so let's just say python manage.py make migrations. Where do you want to make migrations? To the post app. So in other words, we want to save changes, okay? And then say python manage.py, then you need to migrate, and perfect. So we have saved all the migrations. So in other words, let's say we want to change a certain field in our database, then we will need to run migrations again to confirm that change. So always notice that we always run migrations to save an item to our database. And when we want to add something to our models, or when we want to delete something from our models, then we have to apply migrations to save that. So that's cool. So now what we need to do is we need to register this to the admin, so that we can start to access the admin. Okay, so so the way to do it is, first of all, you have to import the model, right, to the admin. So to import the model to the admin, you have to say from dot models import choice and then question. Okay, so that's cool. So once we do that, then let's just register these to our model. So admin.site.register. What are we registering? We are registering our question. And we are also registering our choice. Cool. No, this is wrong. Okay, great. So this is now fine. Cool. Perfecto. So yeah, perfect. That's good now. That's perfect. So now we have registered our question and choice to our admin site. So guys, that's it. So in the next section, I'm going to show you how to create a super user for your admin site, and how to navigate the admin site, and how to create a question and the choice. So see you there. Okay, sharp.